Kuchela. He went there to ask for something. Never. His wife just told him, Krishna is your classmate. Why don't you just find out how he is? You said he is very Saulabhya, he is very close. That's all. She didn't say go and beg something. How can a Pativrata ask like that? She doesn't ask from her own husband. How she will ask from Krishna? Then he went. He was so thankful to her. Her name was Sushila. Yeah. And some people book say Kshut Kshama, one who was weak due to hunger. Kshut Kshama. Kuchela means one who has torn clothes. Kutsita Chela. Later on he became Chuchela. He was wearing only silk, but even now he says Kuchela, unfortunately. He's also mentioned as Sudama, right? Rightly. There are two Sudamas. One Sudama is this, another Sudama. Chimadikan Navanodi, Todamai, Kollabum, Balla, there is a Basuram. Priyarva. Chimadikan also is a Sridhama. Sridhama. He was very close friend of Krishna. He said, you give me Sudarshan Chakra. Close friends, Perumal reveals his forms, right? Perumal could not hide his form, original form, to Tara, Mandodari, a monkey lady, but she's a Pativrata, right? So he couldn't hide. Namasa Paramodata, Shanka Chakra Gadadara, Mandodari recognizes Narayana. Because Pativrata, he cannot. Ahalya, Draupadi, Sita, Tara, Mandodari, Tata. Perumal cannot hide himself before Pativrata. He has to show his form. So they praise Shankachakra Gada. The Perumal reveals himself, he cannot hide because they are pure devotees. So, Kuchela, he went Sudama, Sridhama. See, this Sridhama, whom I was talking about, the Alvar mentions in Periyarva Tirumali, was so close that once he asked, you show me the Sudarshan Chakra, I will also hold. Perumal said, so friendship is different, but Ishwaratam is different. You can't hold Chakra. It's not so easy. Chakra is not for you. Because Chakra is Perumal himself. Chakra is not just an eye. Many people think Sudarshan Chakra is a weapon and he used to kill people. No. Chakra Rupasya Chakrinaha. Chakri means Perumal. Perumal is in the form of Chakra. So Sudarshan Chakra is not a weapon. Remember, it's Perumal himself. That is why Vedanta is also does not. Garuda is not just a Vahana. Garuda is Perumal himself. And there is one beautiful anecdote, Alvar says that. Our children generally you find in Chennai and all, they go in trains, they always find youth, especially, probably Nachiketu would have found, right? They catch running trains only, they enjoy, because the girls will be watching. They think him to be a hero. When fellow goes in a running train, can solve all problems in life. They have a wonderful philosophy like that. You have such a experience, Nachiket? No, you didn't go. Even if it is there, don't tell me separately, secretly, right? People go in a running bus and then they're running trying to catch the train. They want to show that they are heroes. Right? Not only that, sometimes in Mumbai it is everyday case because there is no time. No time to wake up, no time to eat, no time to run. So they have to, unless you run, you cannot catch the train. So Perumal also is there. He started from Perumal only. He is the number one rogue. So Vodum Pulleri Shudum Tanturai. Alvar says, there is never a situation where Garuda is stationary, Perumal climbs on Garuda, then puts on the button, then it goes. Nothing like that. Garuda will be always on the move, will never stay. Because you want to save devotees more than Perumal. So Perumal is to run and catch hold of Garuda at the speed and then sit on the Garuda and then go and protect the devotees. Because Garuda is more eager, enthusiastic to protect the devotees. Vodum Pulleri Shudum Tanturai. Nammadvar. See, Nammadvar is a small kid sitting under a tamarind tree. And Perumal is revealing all these things. See, I am catching running bus and running train. Don't tell anybody. And Nammadvar will tell everybody. Why should I not tell? I will tell everybody. You are spoiling everybody, all the youth. Vodum Pulleri. That is the speed, the love for his devotees. He is fast. More than him is devotee. More than the Nitisuri, Garuda. Vedanta says Garuda is not, nobody else. Taksha Kalpa Bhavanti. Garuda is none other than Perumal. They have an understanding. You take this department, I will do in this form, I will do this thing. In this form, I will do this. So they are one Tattva. Adhyatma Vidya Videya Vidya. If you want knowledge, people think that only that you have to go to Saraswati or Dakshinamurti or Hayagriva. No, Garuda also is capable. Adhyatma Vidya Videya Vidya. Garuda gives that. These are the secrets only revealed only by Vedanta. Nobody else can. Anyway, so Sudama, so this Srimaligan, Sridhama, I was talking about Srimaligan. He said he wanted to catch the chakra. He said no, he didn't listen. Okay, you catch. And his head was cut off immediately. Srimaligan.
அவருக்கு வந்து இன்டர்நெட் இஷ்யூன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
கேக்குது மாமா.
வந்துட்டு உம்ம பேசுனா உம்மோட பேசுனா பவர் வந்துருச்சு சாமி. உம்மோட பேசுனா பவர் வந்துருச்சு. வந்துருக்கு தேங்க்யூ. வச்சுக்கோ அதையும் வச்சு. ஓகே ரைட் போட்டு. ஸோ ஸ்ரீமாரிகன் அவனோடு வெயிட் மினிட். கேக்குதா? ஸ்ரீமாலிகன் அவனோடு தோழமை கொள்ளவும் வல்லாய், ஷாமாரவனே நீ எண்ணி சக்கரத்தால் தலை கொண்டாய். ரைட். So Perumal Sankalpam we cannot say. You cannot challenge Perumal. I will also do this, I will also do that. Perumal friendship is different. Anyway, but even in Mukti and the chakra cut his head off. Shamaravane Niyanni Shakaral Tare. So this Sridhama, this another Sridhama, Sudhama or Sridhama. He went to see Perumal simply because he wanted to have darshan of the Perumal. That's all. He didn't want anything. And Perumal also didn't ask anything. How are you? Where are you working? What is your income? You should have asked. He didn't ask. வீடு கீடு வாசல் வாங்கினியா, கார் பங்களா, நத்திங். These are all nothing for him. அதெல்லாம் மண்ணு அவருக்கு. So he was happy. எல்லாம் சாதம் போட்டார், அமிச்சிட்டார். He also didn't ask. Krishna also didn't ask. Rukmini also didn't ask. Very fine, you can. அண்ணா ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா, மன்னி சந்தோஷமா, all fine. He returned back, but when he came back, Porbandar was changed into a city, like in New York City. There was the village Porbandar. It became like a New York City with all skyscrapers. He couldn't understand. He asked somebody, what is the city? Your own city is same place. How come it is like this? Yasyam, Disi Viharate. For one devotee, Mahalakshmi made the entire village into a city. One devotee is enough to convert the entire country into a Kuberapuri or Alakapuri. Because Mahalakshmi doesn't know. She is very poor in giving little things. She gives only rich. She gives abundance. She doesn't know. Nityam Ajnata Nigraha. There is no word punishment in the dictionary of Mahalakshmi. Vedanta Deshika says. She has a dictionary in which there is no punishment at all. That word is not there. Nityam Ajnata Nigraha. So that is why the satsangam is required. One devotee, Perumal decides to bless. She has to bless everybody. The rain cannot fall in your house alone. It has to fall the whole area. So if the government It's very simple. If the government wants to help somebody who is very close to the president, then he has to make a law so that the entire country gets a benefit. So you can't do it for one person. So this is what is association of Vaishnavas. The Vaishnava, the qualities of a Vaishnava is, Vedanta says, Paraspara Hitaishanam Parisareshu Mam Bhartaya. He loves to be in the company of the Vaishnavas in spite of their shortcomings, short backs. Any human being will have a short back. He will have deficiency, he will have some problems, Kama, Krodha, Lobha, so many that everybody is fighting every day with all these Arishat Varga. Yeah, Ari also means enemy. So we are every day we are fighting with 6 enemies. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarim. There is a war going on inside. Severe war, right? We want to control our anger, we are unable to. Control our desire, unable to. We are unable to control material desire. The only way is Sharanagati. Just catch the lotus feet of the Lord. And that is the only way we can know overall there. So, Vaishnava always tries to be in the company of Satsanga, come what me. So for him, so this is what is very thing. Yeah, whether you know or not, Tukaram Maharaj asked, finally when Perumal asked him what you want, you ask, you have sung so much. Vittal asked him what you want. So he says, Tukaram Maharaj asked him, Marathi, same bhava, ella Deshikantona bhava angi. Tukaram Maharaj's latter period, Vedanta Deshika, the previous way. Tukaram Maharaj around 300, 400 years back, and Vedanta Deshika 750, 80 years, 800 years almost. So, Maganekte Ekatuja Pratiyahi. I have a request to you. If you want to give some boon to me, Deshila Taripahi Panduranga. If you are capable of giving O Panduranga, give it. And Parmar was surprised. You are capable, if you are capable. What does it mean? What do you agree? Ya Santanchi Niravi Matidev. Give me the association of all these saints always. Anika Tuje Perumal said, you ask some other things. It is very difficult to do. And Allah said, if it is possible. Anika Tuje Kaina Magode. Marathi says, I don't want anything else other than this satsang. So Perumal will give mukti easily when you do Varanyasa. But satsang, you have to cry. Keep on crying. Satsang is very difficult. Just like in Bhagavatam, because it is evident that Uddhava asks a boon. Perumal is about to leave. And Uddhava Gita is famous, so he gives all the instructions before I leave. Uddhava, these are the things which you must know so that you can propagate the Bhagavata Dharma. Then Uddhava asked, I have a boon. Please give me a boon. And Perumal says, Krishna says, you are very, very close friend. And you gave me my message, you gave my message to the Gopikas and Vrindavan. So why not? You ask me. Earlier, Uddhava was studying under Brihaspati. He was in that school. Krishna was in Ankapat, on Ujjain. In the Sapta Mukti Kshetra, Ujjain is another place. You call that Ujjain as what is that place? Ayodhya, Mathura, Maya, Kashi, Kanchi, Avantika, Puri. There are 7 Mukti Kshetras. Ayodhya, UP. Mathura, UP. Maya, Haridwar, UP. All UP only because Yogi is there. No? Mathura, Maya, Kashi, again UP. Kanchi is the only place in Tamil Nadu. Though there are no yogis there. Kanchi, only South India is Kanchi. And Kashi, Kanchi, Avantika Puri is Ujjain. Saptaidaha, Mokshadayakaha. So 7 Mukti Kshetras. So in the only one South India. In those days there was some partiality. I think somebody has written constitution like that. Only one came to South India. Just like a cricket team, you will find only Bombay people there always. So I always wonder why only Bombay people, why not South India? They won't keep. I don't know, some politics was going on there. Anyway. But Vedanta Deshika says, which is the best? Mukti Dharam Nagare Yama Achidanil. Don't worry, only South India is the best, he said. Probably because he's born there in Kachi. Not like that. The Quran itself is written. of all the 7 Mukti Kshetras, Kanchi is like the god Mekhala, like you have a belt, right? Belt for the entire globe is Kanchi. So, Mukti Taram Nagaradil, Mukhyaman Kachi. So, Avantikapuri is the place where Krishna was studying in the school, Sandipani school. 64 days, 64 arts over. He took degree in 64 days. Shortest degree. Very easy if it is like that education system. Now we have to read 12 years to get one, or 15 years to get a degree. And simultaneously, Uddhava was also related to him. Uddhava also resembles like Krishna, related to Krishna. He was reading under Brihaspati, the big university. Foreign, he went to abroad. He went to different continent itself, different planet. I don't know which visa he took. He went to Devaloka and studied under Brihaspati. A very big jnani, Vedanti. You can't make fun of him. Generally, people in Bhagavatam make fun of him. He doesn't know Bhakti. No. He knows. Perumal wanted to improve, just like we also have some Bhakti we are here. Perumal wants to make it upgrade our Bhakti, upgrade our knowledge, upgrade our Bhakti, upgrade our Prapatti, etc. That's why he makes us to say, not that nobody else, none of you know anything about Bhakti. You know how to improve ourselves. I improve myself by telling you. You improve yourself by hearing, like that. So Perumal had a plan for Uddhava because he loves Uddhava. So when he loves somebody, he teaches them a lesson. So when we get a lesson, you should understand Perumal loves us. I confirm. Nana Sherpal Achet, Santosh. Padikiyal Adichan Nalapden. So like that. So he asked Uddhava asked him, Bhagavatam it comes, why are you always sad? Your face looks very gloomy. Your mind is not when you eat. Your mind is somewhere, something problem. Because you cannot hide anything from a friend. You can hide from a parent, not from a friend. Friend will find out what is the friend. Krishna said, yes, I'm always worried. I always think of the Gopikas. I promised them that when I was around 12 years old, I left Gokul, Vrindavan. I said, promise I will come back by I could not go because I have so many responsibilities, taking care of the parents, then grandfather, then the Asura, Jarasandha, shifting the place, house shifting, changing the flat, renting an apartment, going to Dwaraka, finding a place there, finding a construction. That is for so many years. So what can you do? So many responsibilities. So I couldn't go. But I failed in my word to keep my promise. So you just go and then console them. Uddhava said, what is very simple? Jnana, they should know the body, soul consciousness. I will go and teach them. Just now I learned from Brihaspati, I got a certificate, gold medal also. So I will teach them about Shariratma Bhava. He didn't say out of Ankara. He thought if we can tell them and also importance of bhakti, probably they might be consoled. When he went to Vrindavan, then the story goes on. So you cannot go into Bhagavatam now. They asked when he met Gopikas, then he told all Vedanta and all, see, the body is temporary, the soul is permanent, super soul, something, all Bhagavad Gita. They finally asked him only one thing. Uddhava, kindly stop all this Vedanta. Kindly tell us only one technique how to forget Krishna. That was enough. A slap on his face, and then he just fell flat on their feet and then took the mud on his head. He rolled on the ground. One question was, tell us how to forget. Marappano ini yanen maniye. Nammadvar says. Nammadvar was angry with Perumal in Virahadasa. You just showed your face and ran away. You made me mad. Now I'm madly in love after you. You are not showing your face. Why did you come? First of all, you shouldn't have come. Why you showed your face? Marappano ini yanen maniye. Then he said, I am not going to talk about you, think about you. Perumal, in the form of a Paramkrisha Nayaki, under the tamarind tree, he challenges, he makes a promise, I won't see your face at all. Virahbhava. This is the highest level of bhakti. Parabhakti, Parajnana, Paramata. Ramanuja continuously says this in Gadyam. Parabhakti, Parajnana, Parabhakti, Krita, Paripurnana, Varda, Nitya, Vajadata, Mananya, Priyojanana, Vidikadasya, Priya, Bhagavadana, Bhavajanita. Often he refers this in Shibhashyam as well as in Gadyatrayam because he was in the Anubhava, he was immersed in that Anubhava. Perumal was so pleased with Ramanuja, with the work, with the magnanimous work which Ramanuja did. Perumal said, you please be with me, stay with me, stay with me. Atraiva Srirange Sukamas. Ranganatha said, stay with me. Inge, Ingatile, Inge, Pakatile. எந்த பெருமானும் சொல்லல. Atraiva Srirange Sriramada. Mukku Raishinger is a wonderful connotation for this. Mukku Raishinger said, Atraiva Srirange. Atraiva means here only. Here only means Srirangam only. Atraiva, why Srirasukamasva? Srirange, why should you say? In Srirangam. You stay here only in Srirangam. Why should you say? Stay here is enough. He's already staying in Srirangam. You stay here only in Srirangam. Then Mukku Raishinger said, that means stay here in Dashavatara Sannidhi itself in Srirangam. Mukku Raishinger is par excellence. And we always in that consciousness. I love it. So that means Dashavatara Sannidhi, he told Rama that. That is the Anubhava Mukku Raishinger. So, he was baffled. Uddhava was baffled. So, what is this law? Nammalvar promised not to see the face of Perumal. Meanwhile, somebody came there. He asked, where is the place? I want to go to Tirumagarinjoy, Madurai. You tell me which direction we should. But then Nammalvar said, Tirumagarinjoy, you take this right, and then from there you take, there is a road, you will get a route straight away to Tirumagarinjoy. Immediately, Perumal entered into the heart of Perumal, Nammalvar. And then he occupied the entire mind of Nammalvar. I just, without my knowledge, I showed him the way, chanting Thirumal Irinjal. And that was the reason enough. That was enough for him. Thirumal Vandi Nenjiniraya Pugunda. Now he's not getting out of my mind. He is permanent residence here. Now what should I do? That is the possibility. So Perumal waits for an opportunity by Jiva so that he can enter into his mind and occupy his entire thoughts, change his, transform his entire life. One opportunity பார்க்க நம்ம resist பண்ணிக்கலாம். We are resisting. So he will not come to me. He will not come down to my bhakti. He will not accept my Thiruvaradhana. He will not be pleased by my activities. So நம்மள resist பண்ணுறோம். நம்மளால resist பண்ணக்கூடாது. Nammalvar says, if you appear before me, I will just gulp you down. You come I'll take like a laddu and I will gulp you down inside my mouth. So, such is the love of Perumal. So much love for him. But there is a divination called Thirukkakkare. Thirukkakkare near Thiruvananthapuram, Malayalam division, very beautiful place. All Malayalam division you must see compulsorily once in a life. Alvar சொன்ன மாதிரி இன்னைக்கு இருக்கு. Same forest, same greenery, same flowers, fruits, everything is ma, pala, thing. To this day, இன்னைக்கும் அப்படியே லலித மங்களாசாசனம் நம்ம பார்க்கிறோம். It cannot go waste, right? In spite of all conflict of all religions there, Vedasa is the same because of Mangalasasanam Perumal. The Alvars will never do Mangalasasanam Perumal alone. Along with the whole Dividation, Shirar, Sennal, Kabari Visham, Chedini, Tiruppadandai, the river, the flora, the fauna, everything they will discuss. Because everything is Divyam. Dividation means not just Perumal and Thayar. Everything associated, the whole place, the entire geography is Bhagavad Arpanam, right? So he promised, you just appear before him. I'm going to gulp you like a chocolate. Take a chocolate and then gulp inside. Perumal appeared. This Thirukkakkare Perumal. And Nammalvar, next second was in the stomach of Perumal. He found himself in the stomach of Perumal and then said, what is this? I wanted to gulp you down, but you drank me. Vari kondenne muttilum kaayilende. Ennai thaan ennai mutta pariginan. See the difference. Hungry is different, thirst is different. Nammalvar was hungry, but Perumal was thirsty. As if he was in a desert and he wants just one drop of water and then drank Nammalvar. So that is the love of Perumal towards all of us, not just Alvar. So he loves it so much that he wants to drink us completely and give us the another. So Uddhava said, my God, I never knew this type of bhakti. They don't know anybody other than Krishna, and I am consoling them. So what qualification do I have? That now he comes back to Krishna and then he asks, this is the only one boon I want. I want to be born as a grass or an insect or a worm in Vrindavan. Bhavanesh Vatsapi Kita Janame. Now you are going to get like Nalavandar. 24 is Isthara Chatram. So Yamunacharya asked Perumal, don't cheat me. by giving the body of a Devata or Indra or Brahma. Don't cheat me. Don't make me Indra. Don't cheat me by making me the post of Indra, by giving me the post of Indra or Brahma or Shiva. Make me a war in the drainage of a Bhagavata. In the house of a Bhagavata, I should be warm in the drainage. Bhavane Swatsapi Kita Janmami. And also, he prohibits, don't make me Itara Vasudesha Masmabhut, Apime Janma Chaturmukatmana. Don't make me Chaturmukha Brahma. Don't punish me by giving that body, by a divine body where I will be in Swarga. Give me the body of an insect or a worm, warm in the stool of a Bhagavata. Who will ask this? Yeah. So that is the power of. So now he puts an application. You know what Perumal said? Okay, Uddhava, I can go, I'll be permission. No, Perumal didn't say that. Okay, you have applied. Let me see. Let me examine. And I will keep the file aside. Kudukila permission. You go and do tapasya in Badrinath. To this day, Uddhava is doing tapasya in Badrinath. There is no clear reference in Bhagavatam that his boon was granted. So what about us? அது உத்தவருக்கு அந்த கதினா நமக்கு பெருமா புல்லாய் பிறவி தரவேணும். அப்பப்போ மியூசிக்கல்ஸ்க்கு எல்லாம் அவங்களை பார்த்து அவங்க கொலை பண்ணிடுவேன். வேற வழி கிடையாது. நான் கத்துட்டேன் 2 years. I had to do பிரயாகம் somebody. இல்லையா? பிருந்தாவனமதில் புல்லாய் கேட்கறேன். அதுதான் கேட்டேன். தமிழ் ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் எக்ஸாக்ட் பாகவத ஸ்லோகம். இன்ஃபேக்ட் அது சொல்றதால ஊத்துக்காடு all his kirtanas were written by Perumal. By birth he was a blind person. Like Surdas. Surdas in North India. All his pad, Surdas pad, were written by Perumal, Krishna himself. Similarly here also Uttukadu. Similarly Janabai Panduranga Vittal wrote to Janabai Sabha. Jani Manere Gopala, etc. And Jayadev also. There is incident also, right? The Ashtapadi also. Dehi Pada Pallavam Udharam. That is also written by Perumal. So he asked, Perumal begs to Radha, give me your lotus feet on my head. Perumal has written that himself. So signature. So different Bhagavata, different places. Anyway, so the idea is satsang is extremely difficult. He doesn't give, you can't take birth in the non-justice. So once Prayagraj comes to Perumal in Vrindavana Mahatmya, it is written that Prayagraj says, I am the king of all the rivers. Right? And then, but this Yamuna doesn't come to me. I don't know why. Everybody comes and worships me. I am Prayagraj. And she doesn't come. Why? The Perumal says, you are the king of all rivers. Right? But Vrindavan is my home. So you have no right to enter there. Unless until I give you permission. So my house is different. She is my Patrani, Yamuna. See, in the Vallabhacharya Sampradaya, you cannot do any service to Srinathji unless until you go through Yamunaji. Yamuna is the Acharya Sthana there. Unless Yamuna permits, you cannot do anything there. That's why you will find a photo of Vallabhacharya and Yamuna Maharani having a lotus garland made of lotus flowers. Vallabha Sampradaya. See, Vaishnava Sampradaya, Vallabhacharya took all the bhakti from Ramanuja only. So you had to go through, that's why Tuya Peruni Yamanita. So Krishna says, see, all other places in Vrindavana Mahatmya becomes all places in this universe. They are my office. I do leelas. But Vrindavan is my house. So anybody cannot enter into my house without my permission, without my grace. So Goda gave a beautiful definition for that Vrindavan. Everybody cannot go and stay in Vrindavan. Now it has become concrete one. It's not a Vrindavan now. All skyscrapers are common in Vrindavan. If everybody go there, what will happen to Vrindavan? They won't get drinking water also. So you can't go and settle there. So Vedanta Desika also says, Atraiva Srirange Sudamaster doesn't mean that everybody should go and stay in Srirangam. You make your house Srirangam. That is the definition. You make your house Srirangam, your heart Srirangam. Right? That is the idea. Not that physically you should be going present there. Similarly, make your heart Vrindavan. Right? Vrindavan Attai Padayan Dayan Mudala Tanda Goda Devi says, right? Vrindavanate Kandom. She didn't go. Physically she didn't go, but she brought Vrindavan to Shivilgu. That is bhakti. You make your house Vrindavan. Vallabhacharya says, a beautiful concept, If you go to the temple, there are rules and regulations. If you make your heart a temple, all rules and regulations will creep in. Make your house Nanda Bhavani, he says. Natasyananda. Vedanta Desika concept only. Nobody can give anything new other than Ramanujan Vedanta Desika. Natasyananda Bhavane Navanita Natyam. What is the meaning of that? General meaning is that Nathasya Nanda Bhavane Navanita Natyam. Natha, who is Natha? Nayaganai Nindra Nanda Gopan. So in Nanda Bhavan, he plays. Krishna plays. Balakrishna plays in Nanda Bhavan. There is a place called Nandagaon. If you go there, a beautiful place. Nandagaon, Perumal used to play there. He used to meet Radha Rani used to come from Barsana, and there is a place called Puili Pokar. Everything. Whenever I get a chance, I keep on keeping a request to you. Try to do one Brajamandal Parikrama in your life. Brajamandal Parikrama. VMP, Brajamandal Parikrama. That takes one. Kartik month. For us, it is Aipasi, generally that Deepavali time. 30 days. In 30 days, they will cover Chaurasi course, 84 koshas. One kosha is roughly 2 kilometers. So 168 kilometers they will cover in 1 month. Slowly, only the circumference, not inside. That's called Brajabhumi. That Brajabhumi, in that Brajabhumi, UP, Rajasthan, and Haryana, all the 3 states are there. In the Brajabhumi. We can't say in that state Brajabhumi. There is an offense also to say. So, in the Brajabhumi, 3 states come in. And there are many organizations which are fighting for the safety, safeguard the flora and fauna of that. All main sons are there. They are fighting for that. There is one son. That son can conduct. There are many groups which conduct Brajavandal Parikrama in car, in vehicles and all. But you should go by walk. 1 month walk you should. Then you will know what is Vrindavan. Then also we don't know what is Vrindavan because we will be covering only circumference, not inside. We cannot go inside. There is a Badrinath there. There is Ganga. There is Yamuna. There is Saraswati. There is Prayag. There is Lakshman Jhula. There is Ram Jhula. Inside Vrindavan. Because Krishna never wanted to give trouble to the parents. They became old. She brought everything there. He brought Ganga there on the Deepavali day. It's called Mansi Ganga. I took, in fact, Aishinger. Accidentally, I was there when Aishinger visited Vrindavan. So Dasa was very fortunate to be with Aishinger. Aishinger said, don't go anywhere. You'll be there in the vehicle. Inge இருக்கணும். That is the grace. பெருமாளே நமக்கு அனுகிரகம் இறங்கி வந்து பண்றது நிசிம்மனே நமக்கு சொல்றாரு. So we went to that bridge. I was talking about it, right? Just Uddhava rolled on the mud, on the soil, on the sand of Gopikas. So there was a place called Ramanreti. So Aishinger saw people were there, rolling on the ground, chanting Haribol, Hare Krishna, Jai Krishna. All many people rolling and putting the mud on their head. Just we were talking, we were doing some bhajans. It's about some 30-40 people of us. Aishinger didn't. I was sitting on a platform there under the tree, and suddenly Aishinger started rolling on the mud with Chitranda. I was shocked. He was having so many operations and then so many problems. Doctors are advised not to go out, staying in Vrindavan just for 3 days, rolling, and then tears were. Everybody couldn't believe what to do. Then I ran and told Aishinger, what is Aishinger? Your Tirumeni is important for us. We are rolling like this. And what will happen to Tirumeni? போடா பைத்தியக்காரன். இங்க வந்து மண்டல வந்து அவன் ஜென்மாவே வீணுடா. இங்க வந்து மண்டல பாருன்னு ஜென்மாவே வீணுடா. Later on, he was telling for months together, wherever he went, once in a life you go to Vrindavan. Otherwise, life is waste. You should go and roll on the soil. Roll on the mud, he said. Aishinger. Then I knew, this is the Paratattva. That was the difference between the Paratattvam and the Saulabhyam. Both Bharatvam and Saulabhyam, both people say. So what I want to say is, why Vrindavan? Simply because the Yamuna is there, which is constantly in touch with Perumal. The Raj is there, Braj Raj. People, if you go to Brahmataghat, they give you small laddus made of the sand there, made of the sand soil, Kudupal. That's Perumal salt, Brahmataghat. That they will give as special. Even now, Vallabhacharya Sampradaya, after applying, they will apply tilak with that mud and they will take a pinch of that mud and then they will eat every day. Because Braj Raj, they will bring those balls. 5 rupees, you get some 10 balls or something, they give you. So, Vrindavan, what you should bring? Mud. The people will ask, bring me that sand. Konjamada mud. So, that you should bring. If you go to Tirupati, laddu, famous adala. Tiruvali, Shakar Pongal like that. But in Vrindavan, you should bring that mud, small piece of mud. And that's enough. That is mud. That is Tirumad. So why I am saying is, this satsang is very, very, very rare in Kali Yuga, actually, because there will be thousands of asuri forces which will try to stop you from satsang. Because Shreyamsi, this one, my wife brought. This one is this one is Brajalaj. Brahmand God for you. I forgot, see my wife put it. I said, this is Brahmand God. இதை பார்த்து ஐசிங்கர் கீழே வந்து செய்ச்சு. ஐசிங்கர் always advised, once in a lifetime you go to Vrindavan. He also said, that is the greatest certificate for me. You should go with Mukundan only. ஐசிங்கர் முகுந்தன் இருக்கும், அவன் தான் அடிக்கடி வரான் எவ்ரி இயர், அதனால அவனை மாத்திரம் விடாதீங்க. So we make at a point every year we go through Ramanujadaya. We go and then we do Vedanta Desikas, Thirumanjalam and his Mangalasasana in the jail, very jail where Krishna was born. We take it. We never thought that we will be getting permission. Just imagine, a communally sensitive place, there is the Dargah nearby, adjacent to the temple. Half of the building is Dargah and half of the building is Perumal Janmasthan, jail. And then I thought we will never get permission. 2018, when we want to celebrate Vedanta Desika 750th, because Vedanta Desika Mangalasasana is there. 750 years back, Swami Desikan did a Mangalasasana, Vande Vrindavanasharam and Gopali Mishati. Just 500 years back, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and all other followers followed. Now everything is Gaudiya Sampradaya. Not a single COIT of Sampradaya. Everything is Gaudiya Sampradaya. ISKCON anyway, thanks to ISKCON, they have glorified everything. They have done very beautiful. But originally who sang? First part in the Deshikam now. And then Ralavandar also. That's why it's called Yamunai River. In the name Ishwara Bhattar was there in Vrindavan at that time. So when his wife gave birth to the child, he was in Yamuna, taking bath in Yamuna, his father. So they called it Yamunai River. So I was coming back to Nathasya Nandabhavani. So Nathasya Nandabhavani is what? Vallabhacharya says, make your heart Nandabhavan so that Krishna can play very freely. There is no restriction. If it is temple, then you have Ashtayama Puja, that Puja, this Puja, and that. Make it Nandabhavan. Make it yours. Pusum San, then Ninjame, Pulayum Gandiyanadudaya, right? Ullatte Vrayum Mare, Ulduban, and Urvandi. There are plenty of pramanas. We are not going to that. So Nathasya means Nathamuni. In the Nathamuni's Nandabhavan means what? His heart is a Nandabhavan. And Perumal is attracted to the heart of Nathamuni. So Perumal always dances in his heart. Navanita. Why? For a small ball of butter. Small ball of butter, Perumal does. Because Gopikas used to say, you want butter? Perumal says, yes, give me one ball of butter. Dance. Dance for 5 minutes. Perumal aduvar. Vennaikkaadum Kuittan. அதனால அவன் ஐசிங்கர் சொல்வார், சரி எங்க பெருமாள் நவநீத கிருஷ்ணன் ஒரு வெண்ணைக்காக டான்ஸ் ஆடும். And he was ஆராதனா, இவர் தான் who did ஆராதனா, இன்னும் ராமானுஜர் himself did ஆராதனா to this பெருமாள் நவநீத கிருஷ்ணன். சாதாரண பீஜாட்சராஸ் in his ceremony. ஐசிங்கர் says, come on, see very clearly, close up. Bijaksharam. Whole body is made of Bijaksharas. Nathasyananda Bhavan. The Perumal, that same Perumal who was, very close to Ramanuja, Ramanuja Aradhana, that Perumal is available even now to this day. And the Hayagirina Deshikan Aradhicharo is available even now in Parakalamant. இதெல்லாம் நமக்கு பாக்கியம் இல்லையா? அதை பார்க்குறவன் இப்போ ஒரு ராமானுஜர் பார்த்தா மாதிரி தானே. ஸோ நாதஸ்யானந்த பவே வை நவநீத நாட்டியம், வை இஸ் ஆஸ்கிங் ஃபார் நவநீதம்? அப்பகிருத்த பகுத்தர நவநீதம் நாராயண தீர்த்தம். So why butter? Because he wants our heart to become like butter. அதான் ஒயிட் ஆகும். ஏன்னா இதுதான் இந்த சத்சங் தான் பியூர் ஒயிட். எப்படி ஆகுது? only satsang can make it. Once our heart become, how do we know we become butter? We start crying butter mills. ஒரு ஸ்லோகம் சொன்னா பல்லாண்டிஞ்ச கள்ள ஜலம் அண்டருகோ நடிகரங்கன் என்ன, we cannot say mechanically. We will start crying. One drop of water a day. That is what Krishna wanted, right? Patram puttam palam toyam means what? This tear. ஒரு கண்ணில் ஜலம் விடு. I am unable to give you a சாஸ்திரிக் பத்திரம், சாஸ்திரிக் புஷ்பம், சாஸ்திரிக் பலம். Cry. ஒரு ஸ்லோகம், ஒரு நாள், ஒரு டிராப் என. அதெல்லாம் சார் நாதஸ்யானந்த பவனே நவநீத நாட்டியம். No, it doesn't get attached, right? Once you start. This you should see in Vrindavan. I saw gigantic pots even down to there. இங்கே கூட இருக்கு, பார்த்துக்க. நத்தகோட காமிப்பா, ஓல்டு பாட்ஸ். இந்த சைஸ் இருக்கும், ஒரு 10 feet இருக்கு. இதோட ஸ்டாண்ட் ஆன் ஸ்டூல் இருந்தால் நீ ஷார்ட். நான் கடைஞ்சிருக்கேன். அது இப்போல்லாம் முடியல, அதை ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். இவ்வளோ பேர் ரோஜி கடையில இப்பவும் கடைவா. ஏன்னா கார்த்தால் அந்த சவுண்ட், தட் சவுண்ட் ஷெட் தி ஹர்ட் வெரி மங்களம். ததிமந்தான தீவிர கோஷா சுப்பிரபாத் சவுண்ட். வெண்ணெய் கடை சத்தம் கேட்கணும். Some people, my mother used to take a Harley's bottle and ask me to come on rotating this and then you'll get in those days, right? Now it's all ready-made mixi. Venaya கிடையாது பால் இருந்தா ஸ்கிம் பண்ணி முதல்ல எடுத்துறோம். The milk itself, all the saram is removed. Only alpha saram only we get anyway. So Nathasya Nandavane Navanitanatyam. So the Aradhana, another beauty is that Aradhana Perumal of Nathamani is Navanitha Krishna. எல்லாம் இவ்வளோ ஒரு விஷயங்கள் இருப்பாங்க. நவநீத கிருஷ்ணா ஆராதனை பெருமாள். So he used to dance before Perumal, before Nathamani in his art. So this shows very clearly how is it possible? Because Uddhava wanted satsanga of Gopikas. Vrijaganambarishadaya. Yeah. Yeah, very simple. Why? What is the speciality of the Gopikas? Riti yugajate tvama pasyatam. 1 second without Bhagavat Sambandham and Satsangam is like millions of years for them. 1 second of separation from Bhagavatas or Bhagavan is like millions of years for them. Riti yugajate tvama pasyatam. Yeah. Adunalna Shrayata Indira Shashvadatrahi. Mahalakshmi is always in Vrindavan. By Vrindavanam is Vedantishika is Vrindana Maunam Yasisaha Vrindavanacharaha. Yakyanam Sadhu Vrindavane Stitam. Vedantishika. What is the Vrindavan? Group of saints. Which group of saints? Sadhu Vrindavanam. Where there is a group of Vaishnavas, that is Vrindavan. Vedantishika definition. Nirastajik Magas Karshne Yatra Krishna Krita Daraha Yatira Saptati, right? Sadhu Vrindavane Stitam. So he wants Vedanta is defining Vrindavan means what? Sadhu Vrindavanam. That physical Vrindavanam is also existing, our luck. But this is Sadhu Vrindavanam. This group where we are now discussing, Takshika group is Sadhu Vrindavanam. If you are then Sadhu Vrindavanam, Perumal has to come searching for you. In a Vrindavanam, Perumal Angavandhyagam, Nityam Sannihito Arihi. The definition of Vrindavanam is permanently Perumal will be there. He cannot go. He cannot leave Gopikas even for a second. So our aim is to become Gopikas. Hope we will become someday by grace of Acharyas. Kavitarka Simhaya Kalyana Goswami Srimate Venkateshaya Vedanta Gurave Namaha. Jai Jai Sesanath. Thanks for new Bhagavatas who have come. And tomorrow we will continue, same time. The question paper was easy. You had, I think third day question paper came. No problem, Nathan. The question paper they will answer. But the third day or second, it doesn't matter any difference. It is just an anubhavam. Writing is also an anubhavam, right? Answering is also an anubhavam. Jai Jai Sesana.
Jai Jai Shri
Clear ஆகுதா?
அடியன் சுவாமி ஒரே ஒரு क्वेश्चन கேட்கலாமா சுவாமி? டைம் இருக்கா சுவாமி கிட்ட?
என்னம்மா?
ஒரே ஒரு क्वेश्चन கேட்கலாமா சுவாமி?
No problem. Yeah. I have time.
இல்ல அடியனுக்கு இருக்கா? ஓகே. அடியனுக்கு என்னதுன்னா இப்போ வந்து நம்ம ஆழ்வார்கள்லாம் அடியன் தெரிஞ்ச வரைக்கும் பிரபந்தத்துல எதுலயுமே அவ வந்து
ராதே மென்ஷன் பண்ணி
ராதா இல்லைன்னா அந்த நம்ம மீரா அவ 2 பேரும் நாட்ல வந்து ரொம்ப கண்ணனோட ராதே கிருஷ்ணா சொல்றாவாங்க. பட் அவளோட நேம் ரொம்ப எடுத்தது மாதிரி தோணல இல்லையா? சோ அது ஏன் அவ அதை எடுக்கல? எனக்கு எப்பவுமே இந்த கொஸ்டின் இருக்கு சுவாமி.
இது செப்பரேட் கொஸ்டின், இது செப்பரேட் ஆன்சர் பண்ணுங்க. இப்போ டைம் வராது. 1 hour ஆனா
சரி, எனக்கு வேணா சொல்லுங்க.
சுவாமி நேத்திக்கு சுவாமி சாய்ச்சது வந்து குழந்தைகளுக்கு உபவாச கிரமம் கிடையாது அப்படின்னு சாய்ச்சாரு. அந்த குழந்தைங்கிற டெஃபினிஷன் என்னது சுவாமி? அந்த எந்த வயசுல
குழந்தைகள்லாம் பசி தாங்காது, அதுக்கு பேர் உபவாசம் என்ன?
இல்ல அதுதான் வந்து இப்போ என்னவா இருக்கணும் சுவாமி? 3 வயசுக்கு கீழே, 1 வயசுக்கு கீழே அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கா? இல்ல ஏதாவது ஒரு
சொல்ல முடியாது. பசி தாங்காத வயசு அதுதான் குழந்தை இல்லையா? பச்சி தாங்க பெரியவாள் கூட பச்சி தாங்க இல்லையா? even we become elders, we can't, that is the idea. When we become old, diabetic for example, he may be young also, he is diabetic but he cannot fast. So what will you do? Shastra, one thing you should understand, I told you, Shastras are Sagastra Matruvat Vatsalataram. They are affectionate. Shastra will never force you. Shakti irundha ஆனா அதையே நம்ம லாஸ்ட் ரிசார்ட் வச்சு எக்ஸ்கியூஸ் பண்ணி எல்லாத்தையும் விட்டு போக. So there is a balance. How to balance it? That's technique, that's art of living. Where to balance, how to balance. If your child is there, to what extent to what extent you should speak smoothly is an art. You can't read your book, how to grow a book on how to grow up a child, 100 ways of giving advice, and that will not be applicable to everybody. Each child is individually. Yeah, a doctor cannot give the same medicine to everybody. same fever, you can't give the same paracetamol to everyone. What if the hundreds of fever இருக்கு எல்லாத்தையும் சேர்த்து ஒரேயா கொடுக்க முடியுமா? So you have to treat very carefully. அது பேலன்ஸ் ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். அது பெருமாள் தான் டிசைன் பண்ணும். இப்போ சே சைல்டு நம்மளால டிபெண்ட் ஓகே பிலோ 12 இயர் சைல்டு அப்படின்னு சொல்றது பாருப்பா நீ கண்டபடி சாப்பிடலாம் சொல்லக்கூடாது. தாங்குற வயசு பசி தாங்குற வயசுக்காரனுக்கு தான் யாருக்கு சக்தி. ஆல் ரூல்ஸ் அப்ளை டு ஒன்லி தோஸ் ஹூ ஆர் சக்தி. யதாசக்தி யதாமதி தான் சொல்றோம். நம்ம சொல்லிட்டு எத்கிஞ்சு தட்சிணாம் யதோத் தட்சிணாம் இவ ஸ்வீகிருத்திய we do that in Sankalpam, right? எத்கிஞ்சு தட்சிணாம் means we are supposed to give gold coin. எல்லாத்திலுமே all Vedika karmas are valid when you keep a gold coin. But you are giving me a paper note and then say this is Yatkincha Dakshinam, Hiranya Dakshinam. Okay, it be Hiranyam. So that means the bhava is important, the shraddha is important, Shakti. அந்த மாதிரி சக்தி இருந்தா உபாசம் பண்ணுங்க, சக்தி இல்லாதவோ பண்ணாதீங்க. By your fasting, if you are a hurdle to other Bhagavatas, then that is a problem. இப்போ ஆத்திர மாமனா நம்பியா இருக்கா, I will fast, I will eat jal அப்படின்னு அவளுக்கு சாப்பாடு இல்லை கேன்சல்னா பெருமாள் ஒத்துக்கவே மாட்டேங்குதுலாம். அவளுக்கு கைங்கரம் பண்ண பாகவதா சில்ட்ரன் நீ ரைஸ் சாப்பிடாம இரு ஓகே ஃபைன். அவளுக்கு தோஸ் திங்ஸ். அது கெஸ்ட் வரா வீட்டில் வாட் வில் யூ டு? ரொம்ப பேலன்ஸாக பண்ணணும். end up in Bhagavata Vichara like Gajendra. Bhagavata Vichara ஆயிடுச்சு இல்லையா? You are doing wonderful ஆராதனை பண்ணிருக்கீங்க Gajendra, why? So subtle things அதெல்லாம் பெருமாள் எஜுகேட் பண்ண. டோன்ட் வரி, பெருமாள் எஜுகேட். அவருக்கு என்ன வேலை? இதுதானே வேலை. அந்தர்யாமிக்கு என்ன வேலை? அவர் வேலையே தான். He has to guide you. He will guide you. அப்பப்போ அந்த சென்டென்ஸ் எல்லாரும் பதில் சொல்ல முடியுமா? இப்போ நான் ஒன்று சொல்றேன், இன்னொருத்தர வேலை சொல்லுவேன். அதான் நீங்கள் கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகிடும். பெருமாள் உள்ளது உங்களுக்கு கரெக்டாக யூ வில் கிவ் த ரைட் கைடன்ஸ் அட் த ரைட் டைம். யூ டோன்ட் வரி அபவுட் தட். புத்தகத்தெல்லாம் வச்சு படிக்க முடியாது, இல்லை புத்தகத்தை கிடைக்காது. உங்களுக்கு ரைட் நீங்க எல்லாம் பார்க்கறதா நிச்சயமா கேட்டு. டோன்ட் வரி. ஆல் திங் வி வில் நீட் இஸ் சின்சியாரிட்டி. அவ்வளோதான். ஐ வாண்ட் டு டூ ஃபாஸ்டிங் சின்சியர்லி. பெருமாள் கைட் பண்ணார், இன்னைக்கு எப்படி பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு. உப்புமா பண்ணி சாப்பிடுன்னு ஒருத்தர் சொல்லுவார், அதுதான் பாகவதாயம். அவ்வளோதான். பெருமாள் ஸ்பீக்கிங் திருதான் ஐயா மனுஷ ரூபேன. அதை எடுத்துக்கணும், அந்த பாவம் ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஸோ யூ டிசைட். பெருமாள் வில் மேக் யூ டு டிசைட் இல்லையா? எனி கொஸ்டின்ஸ் நிச்சிகேத்? கிளியர் நிச்சிகேத்?
Yes, Mama. I don't have any questions.
ஏதாவது கேள்வி கேட்டால் நான் ஒரு ரிவர்ஸில் கேட்பேன், என்னத்துக்கு வம்பு வேணாம் அப்படின்னு கம்ப்ளைண்ட்டான். ஓகேம்மா, தேங்க்யூ. ஜெய் ஜெய்சனா டுமாரோ.
அடியன்
ஜெய்
ஸ்ரீ சுதர்ஷனா சுவாமி. அடியன் பிரீதா சுவாமி ஒரு கொஸ்டின் இருக்கு கேட்கலாம்.
கேளுமா பிரீதா. யா ஐ அம் ரெடி.
அடியன் க்ஷமிக்கணும், உங்க டைம் எடுத்துக்கிறதுக்கு ரொம்ப சாரி சாரி.
ஐ அம் ரெடி. உங்களுக்கு தான் நைட் ஆயிடுச்சு.
இந்த கொஸ்டின்
யா சொல்லு.
நேத்து வந்து கொடுத்த அந்த இதுல வந்துட்டு நம்ம தேசிக சம்பிரதாயத்துல என்ன மாதிரி காய்கறிகள் வந்து அலவுடு சுவாமி? ஏன்னா சில பேர் இங்க ஒவ்வொரு விஷயத்த அதை பத்தி கேட்கும் போது எல்லாரும் கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்றா. எனக்கு சத்தியமாவே புரியல, அழுகியே வந்துடுறது ஒரு சில நேரத்துல.
Very clearly is mentioned in Ahara Niyavam. There is a book called Ahara Niyavam written by Swami Deshkan. You can download even the net also. All the names are given there. Many of the kaigari's are not available. We don't know also, but it is available there. So you can simply go through that. There is no problem at all.
Okay, so
it is there in English and Tamil எல்லாத்திலும் இருக்குது.
ஓகே சார், அந்த புக் பேர் மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் குரூப்ல அனுப்பிச்சு விடுறேன்.
ஆஹார நியமம் போட்டுருமா? அது லட்சுமி இதை போட்டுருமா?
அந்த காய்கறிகள் கிடைக்கும்.
ஆஹார நியமம் இட்ஸ் அவைலபிள். ஓகே
அடியன் சார். தேங்க் யூ சார்.
தேங்க் யூ. ஜெய் ஜெய் சுஷ்மா.
அடியன் சார் சேவிச்சுக்கிறேன். அடியன்
Jai Jai Shri Sudarshan Adiyan.
Radha was supposed to take. Radha is there? She has joined?
இல்ல சுவாமி, அவ இன்னைக்கு வரல.
இன்னும் வேற யாரு ஜப்பான்ல இருந்து வரப்பான்னு சொன்னார்? வந்திருக்கலாமா?
அருணா ஸ்ரீகாந்த் சுவாமி. அடியன் சுவாமி.
ஜப்பான்ல இருந்து யாரோ வந்திருக்கான்னு சொன்னாரு.
அடியன் சுவாமி அருணா ஸ்ரீகாந்த். அடியன் சுவாமி
ஜப்பானா? ஓகே.
ஆமா ஆமா சுவாமி.
புரியுதா?
இன்னைக்கு வீடியோ போடல சுவாமி, ஷமிக்கணும் சுவாமி. நாளைக்கு
இல்ல வீடியோ பரவாயில்ல. நான் சொன்னது ஆடியோ புரிஞ்சுதா? அது சொல்லு.
நன்னா புரிஞ்சுது சுவாமி. அடியன் சுவாமி.
சந்தோஷம், ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். ஓகே, தேங்க்ஸ் சுரேஷ் சாமி.
அடியன் சுவாமி.
என்ன கேட்டார், ஜப்பான்ல இருந்து ஒரு மாமி இவரா வரட்டும், ஜப்பான் தான் மேல தேவலோகத்தை வந்தாலும் வரட்டும் பா, சத்தவங்கத்தை வரட்டும் அப்படின்னு, இந்திரலோகத்தே வரட்டுமே ஏன் வேணாம் அப்படின்னு. தேங்க்யூ வரட்டும். ஓகே, ஜெய் ஜெய் சுவாமி.
அடியன் சுவாமி.
அடியன்
वेदाख्यसिद्धाय कल्याणवंशालिने श्रीमते वेंकटेशाय वेदांत गुरुवे नमः गमांत महादेशिकाय नमः।
अस्मद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। धन्यास्मि स्वामी, दंडवत प्रणाम।
धन्यास्मि स्वामी।
धन्यास्मि भागवतार्थं धन्यास्मि हरि